Today, I will do what others don't, so tomorrow, I can do what others can't. Arguing with stupid people is like killing mosquitoes on your cheek. You might or might not kill them, though you will surely end up slapping yourself. Sometimes you have to take a step back just to save others. Discipline is just choosing between what you want now and what you want most. The sad truth of society. The sun is alone too, but it still shines. No one can destroy iron, but its own rust can. Likewise, no one can destroy a person, but his own mindset can. There are two types of people in the world. So who are you? After staying in a negative environment for too long, it is necessary to clean your mind. Push yourself, because no one else is going to do it for you. Don't compare yourself with others. Everyone has their own role to play. Today social media is like this. Cell phones bring you closer to person far from you, but it takes you away from the ones sitting next to you. Sometimes trusting too much can hurt you really bad. Be good to everybody, because life can take a turn very fast and you will never know whose help you will need. Be humble, be hungry, and always be the hardest worker in the room. Sometimes the only one you can rely on is yourself. The most dangerous creature on the planet is a fake friend. You can read as much as you want, but unless you start putting it into practice, nothing will change. If people are doubting how far you can go so far that you can't hear them anymore. Only a true friend will tell you to your face what others are saying behind your back. Wrong is wrong, and right is right. If size really mattered, the elephant would be king of the jungle. Happiness is a state of mind. It's just according to the way you look at things. Your mind is like a factory. The ingredients you are putting into it will be used to make the final product, your life. If you love something, you have to let it go. Life's three best teachers: heartbreaks, empty pockets, and failures. The Japanese say you have three faces. The first face that you show to the world. The second face that you show to your close friends and family. And the third face that you never show anyone. It is the truest reflection of who you are. Those who understood this image, please explain it in the comment section for others who didn't. I'm thankful for my struggle, because without it, I wouldn't have stumbled across my strength. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. The worst distance between two people is misunderstanding. A real friend is one who walks in when the rest of the world walks out. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take, relationships we were afraid to have, and the decisions we waited too long to make. Don't waste words on people who deserve your silence. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can say is nothing at all. Dead people receive more flowers than the living ones, because regret is stronger than gratitude. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, today is a gift of God, which is why we call it the present. How beautiful it is to find someone who asks for nothing but your company. Powerlust is a weed that grows only in the vacant lots of an abundant mind. Follow your heart, but take your brain with you. You will never be able to escape from your heart, so it is better to listen to what it has to say. At the end of the day, let there be no excuses, no explanations, no regrets. If flowers can teach themselves how to bloom after winter passes, so can you. Some of you say joy is greater than sorrow, and others say, Nah, sorrow is the greater. But I say unto you, they are inseparable. If you are looking for a friend who is faultless, then you will be friendless. Some people will waste their time, while some will use it to build their future. You control your device. Don't let it control you. Not everything you do needs the attention of other people. To solve a problem, you need honest reflection. The greatest test of your character isn't failure, it is success. Always remember that you are an influence in somebody's life. Learn to play your own melody. Setting yourself apart from the crowd is amazing, but if you fail to sympathize with and love the people around you, you have lost. Most people prefer ignorance rather than reality. Don't be like most, be unique and choose to do the right thing. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, but what you do consistently. Failure way to success. So many books, so little time. That moment when you realize that the beginning and the end is same. First they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they criticize you, and then they ask you how you did it. It's not good to wake a sleeping lion. There are two types of people. People who make goals and get distracted, and people who make goals and work on them. Every time I thought I was being rejected from something good, I was actually being redirected to something better. Every struggle, it's all part of a lesson, and all the struggles will become part of the story. Sometimes you need to step outside, get some fresh air, and remind yourself of who you are and who you want to be. Our happiness is primarily based on our gratitude for what we already have. If you feel unsupported, change your circle. If you can't feed 100 people, then feed just one. The 9 to 5 is one of the greatest atrocities sprung upon mankind. Fur looks best on its original owner. High income skills will always be your light in the dark times. How you do anything is how you do everything. Don't strive for financial freedom, strive for financial confidence. Poor people believe that money is the root of all evil. Rich people believe that poverty is the root of all evil. Stop dwelling on your past and go take action on your dreams. Someone should tell him that his racist jokes aren't funny. Don't be afraid to choose a different path than others. Chase the vision, not the money, and the money will end up following you. Show your appreciation to all the problem who have been there for you. Your current behavior will be reflected in your future life. Don't allow your busy life tear your focus apart. See yourself not as the person you are, but as the person you are becoming. Attention is the currency in the world of relationships. Never underestimate the power you have to take your life in a new direction. You are free to choose what you surrender to, but you are not free from the consequence of that choice. If the first button of one's coat is wrongly buttoned, all the rest will be crooked. Don't be distracted by criticism. Remember, the only test of success some people get is to take a bite out of you. Cages aren't made of iron, they are made of thoughts. You can be you, and nobody else can do that. Learn to grow, not to feel your capacity. You cannot find peace by avoiding life. Multitasking is an enemy of productivity. Never dull your shine for somebody else. Kindness always comes back. Happiness is free. Your attitude has the power to change everything. Giving up on everything midway is a straight line to sadness. Take the negative and turn it into something incredible. Sometimes you get the best light from a burning bridge. She made broken look beautiful and strong look invincible. She walked with the universe on her shoulders and made it look like a pair of wings. I used to worry about the labels others placed on me until I realized my limitations weren't coming from their labels but from my own. The secret of change is to focus all of your energy not on fighting the old but on building the new. If you see something beautiful in someone, speak it. What the world needs most is openness, open soul, open eyes that can see pain, open doors that can welcome others with love, open hearts that can love everyone equally, open ears that has patience to hear others, open minds that consider others' point of view. Maybe we all have darkness inside of us, and some of us are better at dealing with it than others. If you are humble, nothing will touch you, neither praise nor disgrace, because you know what you are. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground.